Hey everyone, I'm going to do an energetic healing for practitioners and carers and people who have lost people in the last few years that they've been caring to, because so many of us have been devastated by what we've seen. So this is for everyone who's lost a loved one. Okay. So take a slow breath in and let your whole body know that this is the moment for you. A moment of gentleness, a moment of truth, a moment where your heart is allowed to be held, just as you have held so many others. You have walked beside people through their pain, their healing, their breakthroughs, their fears and their hopes. You have witnessed transformation. You have witnessed courage. And sometimes you have witnessed loss. Loss of clients you loved, loss of family and friends, loss of stories that you were part of, loss of souls who touched your life in ways you didn't expect. Let your breath soften. Let your shoulders drop. Let your nervous system know that it is safe to feel everything that arises. You are not weak to feel this. You are not failing for feeling this. You are human, and your humanity is part of your medicine. Now imagine a beautiful white light behind you. A soft golden present that represents every moment you have helped someone you've seen, heard, supported, and understood. This light is made of the compassion that you've given, the care you've offered, the healing you've facilitated, the love that you have poured into your work. Let that light gently wrap around you, not as a burden, but as a reminder of the truth. You are here on this planet doing exactly what you are meant to be doing. Feel that truth settle into your heart. Feel it settle into your chest, and your heart starts to soften. Feel it steady your breath. Now bring your awareness to the grief you carry. Grief of losing clients and family and friends. Grief of watching the world struggle. The grief of feeling like the problems are getting bigger and heavier. You don't need to push it away. You don't need to fix it. You don't need to pretend it isn't there. Just breathe deeply. Just witness it. Just let it be held in kindness. Say silently to yourself, I honour the grief. I honour the love. I honour the connection. Feel your body respond. Feel that soft release. Feel the nervous system exhale. Now imagine standing in front of a mirror. Not a mirror of appearance, but a mirror of truth. See yourself standing there, the practitioner, the healer, the guide, the light carrier. See the softness in your eyes. See the wisdom in your posture. See the compassion in your presence. You are not here by accident. You are not doing this work by coincidence. You are part of a lineage of helpers and healers. And light workers who step forward when the world feels heavy. You are not responsible for fixing everything. You are responsible for shining in the only way you can. Now imagine your reflection speaking back at you. A gentle, loving voice that feels familiar and ancient. It says, you are doing enough. You're exactly where you are meant to be. Your presence matters more than you realize. You are a practitioner of light. Let those words sink into your heart. Let them settle into your bones. Let them become part of your breath. Now imagine the clients, family and friends you've lost. Not in pain, not in fear, but in peace. Imagine sending them gratitude. Imagine sending them warmth. Imagine them sending a soft whisper. Thank you for walking with me. You don't need to hold on to their journey anymore. You don't need to carry their story. You can honour them and release them with love. Take a slow breath in and imagine that breath clearing the heaviness from your chest. And as you exhale, feel the weight melt just a little. Just enough. Now bring your awareness back to your posture. Imagine it back to your purpose. Not the tasks, not the responsibility, not the pressure. Your purpose is presence. Your purpose is compassion. Your purpose is connection. Your purpose is light. You are not alone in your work. You are part of a collective of healers rising together. And when the world feels heavy, your light still matters. Take one final slow breath, in and out. And feel your whole being settle into softness. The softness of the knowing that you are here, you are needed, you are aligned, you are a practitioner of light, and you are doing exactly what you are meant to be doing. When you're ready, relax, open your eyes, bringing your truth back. I know everyone has had the sort of week that I've had. Too much death, too many lives cut short. Run your central body and help to pick up that conscious energy. Shake your body and just release that energy that's been building up. Hold those emotional stress release points. And just relax. I'm grateful for all my practitioner friends, healers, companions on the planet. It wouldn't be the same without you. Have a fabulous day.